Okay, so here's the problem. As you can see, this screen is rotated to the left, so every icon is in an incorrect position. Let's open this PC somehow. Okay, and it looks like this. Okay, so let's see how to fix this. Let's close it. Okay, I'm going to turn my camera so you can see it more easily. So right click on the desktop and go to screen resolution, and then on this page we have orientation, and it's set to portrait. Set it to landscape and click OK, and now it's normal. Okay, that's the entire tutorial. Keep the changes, and that's it. Now Explorer looks normally. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.